want people and organizations to be the best reflection of themselves.
I think we have a huge challenge in front of us to change ourselves.
It's really becoming an opportunity for employees to reach out and be in charge of employment versus employers being in charge of drawing in employees.
Learners get very excited when they can measure their progress. And if they can have an achievement that then can be shared with others, that's an incredibly motivating thing.
As companies need to learn to adapt, and how some of the things we're doing with career road mapping and journeys are going to help companies as an accelerant to their adaptability.
Machine learning is basically algorithms which learn from data. So when the facts change, I change my mind.
Employee life cycle is important in terms of our talent development, but I'll talk about the business outcomes here.
If learning can make me feel safe, I will learn.
It's time for the Innovation Award.
On behalf of Skillsoft and SumTotal, we are deeply grateful for the time that you've taken out of your days to be here, but more importantly, for what you do every day to make the world a better place. Thank you so much for that.